What are you making in this pan?
Today we're making banana pancakes.
Good.
We're gonna start by combining the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, the salt, a couple of shakes of ground cinnamon, 1 shake of ground nutmeg. We're gonna mix this all together. In our other bowl, we're gonna mix together our bananas. I like to mash these pretty good with a fork. All right, now that we've got our bananas mashed, we're gonna add some milk, 1 cup. Our oil, just 2 tablespoons. 1 large egg. We're gonna mix this together. At this point, we're gonna put a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You wanna come over here and mix this? I'm gonna lift you.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna mix this into here. Just why don't you start mixing?
It looks like banana pancakes.
It's gonna taste like banana pancakes because it is banana pancake. Here, we gotta get it all. Gotta get all the powder off the sides. Mix it all together.
Can't do it fast though. I can only do it.
That's okay.
Wow.
That's why Daddy's open. You wanna keep mixing a little bit? No, you're done? Okay, we're just about ready to cook.
Okay. What are you making with this pan?
The pancakes.
I woke early.
You did wake up pretty early.
This kind of is a princess mechanic. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make pancakes.
Hey, I want to toast with pancakes. Oh, big. Hey, Dad.
You want a pancake right away? You want to eat before everyone else wakes up? Okay.
I said I miss my grandpa.
Miss Grandpa.
My grandpa.
What?
I would like milk. You put them on the bananas.
Can you tell me again? Are they good?
It's good. Hey, Dad. I was gonna eat my pancakes all.
I hope you eat them all.
Yum, yum.